Have you ever wondered how the first ever motorcycle looked like? Who drove the first ever motorcycle and who made it? Stick around as we take you on a spin in the magical ride of facts. Number 1. The creator of bikes. The bikes in the earlier time are of no match for the bikes we ride today. It all started when the German inventor Gottlieb Daimler built the first practical motorcycle in 1885. The idea of bike was present before Daimler, but he made it practical and it was driven by his 17-year-old son Paul. Hence, Paul Daimler is the first rider. Number 2. The first ever bike. The first ever internal combustion petroleum-fueled motorcycle was the Daimler Radwagen. In Germany in 1885, it had an engine output of 0.5 horsepower or 0.37 kW at 600 rpm. With a speed of about 7 miles per hour or 11 km per hour, it was driven on November 18, 1885, going 5 to 12 km or 3.1 to 7.5 miles from Cannstatt to Untertürkheim in Stuttgart, Germany. The world's first motorcycle had a twist grip throttle. The idea of throttle has not been bettered since. Number 3. The Harley Davidson. The first Harley Davidson motorcycle was built in 1903. It used a tomato soup can for a carburetor. The Harley Davidson motorcycles have a failure rate over twice that of the top 3 motorcycle manufacturers in the world. The Harley also tried unsuccessfully to trademark the sound of their motorcycles. During the litigation, a Yamaha spokesman countered, "There is no difference between the sound their engine makes and the sound our engine makes. The pistons go up and down. They all sound the same," said the Yamaha spokesman. Number 4. The rarest one. The rarest motorcycle in the world was found by a plumber during renovations. It was behind a brick wall in Chicago and has engine technologies well ahead of its time. It had a horsepower of 4, and the owner once wrote in his letters that it had the speed which the roads can't stand. It is known as the Traub, and the Traub is still running. Number 5. The rich one. Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter is the most expensive bike. It costs a whopping $11 million, and the bike uses a Glider-style front suspension made up of titanium, aluminium, and carbon fiber bits. It has a 120Ci 45-degree air-cooled 1966cc V-twin engine capable of powering up to 190 miles per hour. Number 6. The risk. Motorcyclists are approximately 38 times more likely to be killed on the roads. Most bikers experience avoidable collisions with near misses on a daily basis because of dangerous riding or difficulty to see. In Northern Ireland, the first responders to accidents in high-speed motorcycle races are motorcycle doctors. The motorcycle doctors travel at the speeds upward of 180 miles per hour. Evel Knievel, the stuntman, holds the world record for breaking the most number of bones and surviving on a bike. Number 7. The fun. In South Dakota, there is an annual motorcycle rally that averages almost 10 deaths, 400 arrests, 300 emergency room visits, and tens of millions in revenue. It began in 1938 by a group of Indian motorcyclists, and it starts on the first Friday in August every year for 10 days. The highest attendance was 739,000 recorded in 2015. Number 8. The fascinating law. In the city of Medellin in Colombia, it reduced the motorcycle assassinations by 39% when it banned male passengers from riding on the back of the motorbikes. And in Indiana, motorcycles at a red stoplight have to stop only for 120 seconds, and then they can treat the stoplight as if it were a stop sign and proceed through the intersection cautiously. Number 9. A life-saving bike. A guy named Emil Lere found himself stuck in the desert of Africa and dismantled his broken down car to make a working motorcycle out of it. He is a French electrician who frequently traveled through Africa, and he built this bike out of a broken down Citroen 2CV in 1993. He did this when he found himself stuck in middle of the desert with a broken down car when he hit a big rock. Number 10. The fastest. In 2003, Dodge built and sold 9 motorcycles with a Viper V10 engine called the Dodge Tomahawk, which has the top speed of 350 miles per hour. This superbike carries within it an 8277cc 10-valve 4-stroke engine. It has 4 wheels and each of them has its own suspension. The transmission is a 2-speed manual tow shift and uses the traditional chain and sprocket system. It can clock 0 to 60 somewhere in between 1.75 to 2.5 seconds. It hits its maximum power of 500 horsepower at 5600 rpm. So that's all for today guys, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe